Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how I installed this 120 amps automatic changeover. So stay tuned and make sure you watch the video till the end. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a 120 amps automatic changeover. It consists of a voltmeter, 2 indicators, a breaker, and power restoration alarm. So the voltmeter indicates the voltage on load. The red indicator indicates when you are using a main power supply. The other one indicates when you are using a temporary power supply, such as your generator, inverter, etc. The circuit breaker protects the changeover whenever you overload the changeover beyond its rating. Let's say for this changeover it's rated 120 amps and you go above the 120 amps, the breaker will automatically switch off, turn off by itself. The power restoration alarm just notify you when there's a main, so it lasts for 30 seconds. So watch me as I install this changeover. Install the automatic changeover. So the red indicator is on, which means our main is available, and you can see the voltage our meter is reading. The light was interrupted and I on the gen, so the green indicator is on and the changeover switched automatically. So this green indicator is just indicating use of our temporary power supply. So right now I'm making use of the generator as well. This is the wire that's coming off the gen. Anytime you bring lights, I've connected the wire inside this box, this generator box. So it's connected to this key. So whenever there's an uninterrupted power supply and your gen is on, it automatically turn your gen off. So you can see the gen. Well, this is the wire. This is the wire. This is the wire. You can see it's connected inside the roof. I run the wire inside the roof. So connected to the changeover. I'm coming, you will see it's connected to the changeover. Thanks for watching. Please ensure you like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I post a new video you can get updated.